Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy. Today we are back again with another exciting episode on our channel. Black Friday sales are officially live on so many platforms, and this is the best time of the year to get incredible deals on watches. I've been searching through the sales to bring you some of the best timepieces you absolutely don't want to miss. These deals are definitely worth checking out. Everyone has different budget, so I have arranged these watches in ascending order of price. We'll start with the most affordable options and gradually work our way up to get some premium picks. Whether you're looking for an entry-level Swiss watch or something more high-end, there is definitely something here for you. Some of these deals are unbelievable. This is a perfect opportunity to finally grab the watch you've been eyeing all year. And who knows, maybe you'll discover your dream watch among these deals. Remember, these sales are time sensitive. Some of these deals could sell out quickly. So if you see something you love, don't wait too long. I'll also provide links in the description below to make it easy for you to check them out. So without further ado, let's dive into the list. Starting with our first watch. This is the most affordable offering from Tissot. With this, you can take a peek inside the world of Tissot. This is a watch for those who like the simplicity. The watch face is very clean and there is no date window here. This is a quartz watch and it has a Swiss quartz movement in it. This is the reference number for the watch, and the watch is available at 15,000, but with the card offers and discounts, you can get this watch for 13,500. Tissot Every Time is available in different colors as well. I have reviewed Tissot Every Time Black dial on my channel. Please click on the link in the description to check that out. Let's move on to our next pick. This is Tissot CLiQ, and the watch is incredibly thin, and the watch is available in rose gold color, and this is the reference number. The watch is available for 17,000 and can be purchased for 15,500 rupees including card offers and discounts. Let's move on to our next pick. Tissot CLiQ, but in all gold with the mesh bracelet. This is a Tissot CLiQ, reference number here, 18,000, and can be available for 16,500 rupees including card offers. Let's move on to our next watch, Tissot Sports Gens. The watch is available for 19,000 and can be purchased for 17,500 including card offers. Now, this is a sports watch. The dial color is gray and you get a date window on this one. All Tissot watches are equipped with sapphire crystal. Let's move on to our next watch, Tissot Super Sports. The watch is available for 20,000. This is the reference number and can be available for 18,500 including offers. The dial color is green with a date window at 3 o'clock position. The watch has a screw down crown. The watch has a leather bracelet and this is how it looks. Let's move on to our next pick. Tissot Sports Chrono. Date window is at 4 o'clock position. This is the reference number and the watch is available for 22,000 and can be purchased for 20,500 rupees. The watch has a quartz chronograph movement and comes with hybrid strap, and the dial is coated with a black PVD coating. Let's move on to our next pick. Tissot PRS 516. Again, sports chrono. The watch has a tachymeter bezel and comes with perforated leather strap. The watch is available for 17,000 and can be purchased for 25,500. Let's move on to our next pick, Tissot PRS 516. It's a different color of the previous watch. All the specifications are same. It's just a different dial color, and this one comes with a metal bracelet. Let's move on to our next pick, Tissot Swissmatic. It's their in-house automatic movement. It is produced in automated factories in large numbers. The watch has a silver color dial with Dauphine hands and metal bracelet. Date window at 3 o'clock position. It's available for 33,000 rupees. Can be purchased for 31,500. This is their reference number. The watch has a see-through case back and it's water resistant for 50 meters. Let's move on to our next one. Swissmatic with the dual tone design, Dauphine hands, 3 o'clock date window, Swiss automatic movement, golden crown, metal bracelet. Going to get the same see-through case back and you'll be paying 1000 rupees extra from the previous one. Let's move on to our next pick, Tissot C Star. The highlight of the watch is the water resistant. The watch is 300 meter water resistant and it has a screw down crown. It's a chronograph model and you get a metal bracelet. Again, all these Tissot watches are equipped with sapphire crystal. The only downside of this watch is its massive dial. The dial diameter is 46 mm. It's a perfect dive watch for big wrists. It's available for 35,000 and can be yours for 33,500. Let's move on to the next one, Tissot T Classic. This watch comes with Tissot's most reliable movement, Powermatic 80. The date window is at 6 o'clock position and you have a see-through case back. Look at this beautiful movement. This is the reference number for the watch. It's available for 38,400, can be yours for 36,900. That would be the end of the part 1. So that's about it today's video. If you enjoyed this video and want more watch reviews, unboxing and sale updates, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments which watch you're thinking about picking up, or if there is already a watch that you have purchased. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wristworthy.